The use of smartphones nowadays are enormous. We use it for everything, like buying things online and sometimes copying sensitive information like our credit card number and pasting it in. Other times might just be a needless site that is requesting that we have a user ID login details before we can use the site, and we probably create the login and forget. And somehow we'll copy it and paste into the site to be able to log in. But what we don't know is that on the background, while we're doing this and copying sensitive information, a lot of apps in her system are actually having access to those information from the clipboard. Let me show you how this thing happened and how to avoid it. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and if this is your first time of watching our video or you like our channel, why not smash that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when we do important videos like this. So most time we copy a lot of things for a lot of reasons, like we want to copy a contact or copy some number or something, some of our very private information, and we copy it, paste it anywhere, and as you can see, nothing happened. We can just dial it or use it whatever we want to. But thanks to Cult OS, I'm going to give you it has an option for me to show you what's happening in the background once you copy a number. So right here from the dialer, I just copy the number and then look at what happens in the background. Both the phone, keyboards, other apps running in the background will start clamoring to copy or get access to the clipboard. And it's true, whatever you copy to the clipboard is public access. There are a whole lot of apps that can get it, and it has nothing to do with a particular app. It's like that way in the system, even on PC. And let me go to another app and also try to copy something so that you can see that this thing happens is a general thing in the system of things. So whatever you copy to the clipboard is public access, just like whatever you upload to the internet is public access. Anybody can take it, download it, do whatever they want to do with it. So the solution is to try not to upload some sensitive information to public access like the internet or on your clipboard. So now this is the second app, and then in some cases, even when you're using some password manager like Google Password Manager that is very strong, very full of security, and probably will require you to authenticate before you can actually view any safe password, that's very okay. I'll talk about that a little bit more further in the video. But once you open your safe password and then copy it, it doesn't matter because you're in the browser. Once you copy it, now what will happen is that every other app will start clamoring to get access. And imagine you have a malicious app in your phone. This is like giving them free lunch, and they will pick that information, they will steal it, and they can use it for whatever malicious app they do. So you have to try to avoid copying sensitive information to your clipboard. Now I'm going to show you a way how to go around this, because you can wonder, oh, then how do I I can't remember the password, I can't do all that, I can't do all this. Relax. I'm going to show you how to go about that, because if you have a lot of apps running in the background and a lot of things happen at the same time, most of them are ready to get whatever you're doing, especially when you have a lot of apps, it's really not advisable. So if you want to copy passwords or sensitive information, you have to do it with a secure channel. And then I've done a video about it, full details. You can see it in the cards, how to use password managers, because they are trusted and they're going to ask you if you want to autofill, make sure you trust the whatever app you're trying to use autofill with. And password managers also have 256 modern encryption, and I talked about that in the video, so you can see it in the cards right now, or check the link in the description. So with this now you can safely copy your password, because it will not go to the clipboard, it will go straight into the app that need it in a secure path. Then the next thing you have to avoid is you have to avoid copying your credit card numbers. The same password managers also can autofill your credit card numbers securely. So these are some of the secret sublime way that data, very sensitive data, are being stolen from phone, and people just copy and paste without knowing what happens in the background and other things that are going on. So thank you, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. I'll see you.